We'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Excel on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Excel is a great app for working on spreadsheets. You can do different calculations in there and manage your numbers. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. Perhaps you want it for work or business or just for personal use. It doesn't matter. And maybe even for school as well. Go and open up a web browser of your choice. This could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use Chrome. Search for Microsoft 365 Office. This is what Excel is a part of. Keep watching, I'll explain more. You then want to come to office.com. Now it's going to go and say about buying it. Now you may already have a subscription for this. If you do, we can go and sign in. I'll show it in a moment. Alternatively, it can often be included, the Microsoft Office 365 plan, in your school or workplace account. So it's worth just signing in or even going asking your administrators if it is. So if you already have an account and a subscription with it, we can press sign in the top right. I'll show it in a moment. If you don't, you can press buy. Scroll down, choose if it's for individuals or business and pay monthly or yearly, and you can press buy now. And when you do that, you'll then need to go and sign into a Microsoft account and you can purchase it. Now I already have it. So what we can then do is go and press sign in the top right. I already am signed in, so sign in if you aren't already, and then press your profile icon in the top right and press view account. Here you can press subscriptions to the left. If you just bought your subscription, you can do the same thing. In the top right, you'll go and see the install, and you can click there, choose the language in the version and press install. After it's downloaded, you then want to go and open up your file explorer, come to your downloads, find the Office setup, and you want to go and double click on it. You can then go and run it. The great thing about this is it also includes Word, PowerPoint, and these other Office programs as well as Excel. When it's complete, press search at the bottom and you can go and type in Excel and you can click on it and go and use it. The first time you do this, you may need to go and sign into your Microsoft account just to show and activate your subscription.